Pause. Right before this video starts, I wanted to say, hope you guys liked the new intro. Bye guys. Start the video. It's just a new Gorilla Tag update. We're gonna be checking it out. First, what should we check out first? Loud cosmetics. Epic cosmetics. Oh, I already see. So right here we have whatever the hell that is. Then it's this, that, this. Bro, free badge. I already got it. This. We'll see what that does later. Okay, I already sent it up there. I'm just pretending like I have it. Alright, okay.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Jacket. Scarf. I already have a scarf. And a flag. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Alright, right here. So here's a new map. Here they have. Whoa. They have this. I've seen this in like the little teaser leak. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, but I'm good. Alright, let's go. Bro, this is sick. I believe I can fly. I think that's copyrighted, so can't really say that. I believe I can touch the sky. Bro, I'm gonna try bringing it down here. Dad, can you back No! Wait. Did it get stuck up there? Anyway, did it get stuck? It didn't get stuck. Where'd it go? I've been married. I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna drop the brown one down there because it's the ugliest one. Pause. What did I just say? Nah, Brown, I didn't mean it. Sorry, Brown. Let's go. Bro, it looks like poop. Is this how I'm taking it? What is wrong with me? This is the butthole. And delete. Alright, I'm done. I'm sorry. The video's ending here. Bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. What is wrong with me? I don't know what I'm doing.